Welcome to day 18 of the TaylorToned Total Body Transformation Challenge. And in today's video, you are going to be needing something like this. Now, this is a yoga strap. You can still do the workout 1,000,000% even if you don't have a yoga strap. You just need something that is similar to this that hasn't got slap. So something that when you pull it, when you pull it, it doesn't, not a resistance band, something solid. Here's some suggestions: rope, or suggestions that us women might have around at home. From your dressing gown tie, from your kaftan, those things that tie, you know, the little waistband tie, that would be perfect. Yeah, grab something, not a resistance band though. Okay, you need a soft surface. If you've got bad knees, grab a cushion or a pillow to pop under them. Let's get straight. That's not gonna do it again, is it? Into it. Okay, let's get straight into it. You're gonna grab a hold of whatever you've got and you're gonna pop it in towards your hands. And I want you to bring it shoulder distance apart, a little bit wider than shoulder distance apart. Stack your feet wider than your hips and bring your toes towards me. Now reach the hands all the way up towards the sky and slide those shoulders down. Find a big, nice deep breath in and exhale. I love today's playlist as well. I made this morning. You're gonna incline to the right side really gently. Doesn't feel good, don't go so far, or incline all the way over. Back through the center, left side. Incline over, and back through the middle. Now you're gonna bring the band to me and create a flat back. So keep the toes to me, keep the knees straight, come to me, flat back. The band goes to me. Now drop your eyes to the floor and try and give me a perfectly straight line from the crown of the head down to the hips. Inhale through the nose, and as you exhale, the band drops to the floor, the body drops down, and hamstring stretch. So now the stretch should be down the back of the legs. Maybe nod the head yes. Maybe shake it out no. And just allow the back of the legs to lengthen. Nod the head yes. Shake the head no. If the kneecaps are locked and tight, just lose that tension and lock the knees. Bend at the knees and you're going to roll all the way up through the spine. Inhale. As you exhale, we shoot the band towards the sky. And you're going to do that one more time. Inhale, stretch tall. As you breathe out, bring the band to me, flat back. Band to me, flat back, flat back. Drop the eyes to the floor. Straight legs, straight spine. Inhale, big breath in. Big breath, exhale, body drops down, the head drops down and fold over. Let the band go out of your hands for a little second. Heel toe your feet just underneath your hips so they come hip distance apart. Bring your fingertips, push them into the floor in front of yourself if you can reach. Inhale. As you breathe, exhale, push the fingertips in and you're going to try and lift your eyes slightly to me. Find that yoga intention, and you've got one more of those. Don't worry if you can't quite get the fingertips on the floor, you're just going to dangle and hang out there for me. Inhale as you exhale, push the fingertips in, lift the eyes if you can up to me. Be really careful at the back. You should feel a gorgeous stretch through the back of the legs, through the back of the spine. Drop the head down, bend at the knees, soften, drop the belly to your thighs and slowly roll. Slowly roll through the spine. Fling your ponytail over the top of your shoulders if you need to. Shoulders go backwards, up and down. Shoulders go backwards, up and down, and then two forwards. Inhale as you exhale, roll forwards. And roll forwards. Send the feet nice and wide. Bring your hands out towards the side. Your right arm with straight legs, you're going to tap it down to your left foot. And you're going to tap down and reach the other hand high. Option to take the eyes to the sky. Inhale as you exhale, come back up, make the letter T. Lower body's in a V. Inhale. As you exhale, left fingertips to right foot. Bring that arm, opposing arm to the sky. Back through the center. We've got two more of those. Breathe in. Breathe, exhale. I love stretching. It's so nice. Try and hook now the hand around the ankle and arm goes to the sky. Take the eye line up. Back all the way towards me. You've got one more other side. Inhale, grow long. As you exhale, hand wraps around the ankle. Bring the eyes to the sky and stretch those fingertips up to the clouds. Lift it all the way towards me. Stack your feet underneath your hips and move to the back of your mat. Slowly run your chin in towards your chest. You're gonna slowly roll down through the spine, just like we normally do. And then hands hit the mat, knees hit the mat, and we're gonna roll. Okay, these are my favorite stretches ever to do with the band. So, you're gonna lower yourself down towards your mat. Bring both of the soles of the feet to the floor. You've probably done these before, but I just love them. It gives you such a deep stretch. You're gonna bring the band behind your right foot. So bring it onto the right foot and then extend the leg up to the sky. And you want to try and straighten through the knee, but don't lock through the knee. Supporting foot, you can either bring the sole of the foot down or you can extend that leg away. That's your advancement. So the extension of the leg is the advancement, hamstring stretch. So this foot is in line with the shoulder, in line with the ear. It's in that straight train track position with the shoulders and the hips. Take a deep breath in through the nose, inhale. And as you exhale, you're going to use your strap, whatever you've got, to pull the toe to you. Breathe in and breathe out. Leg stays in parallel. We're not to the side, we're not over the center line of the body. We're running in that train track position. The stretch should here be through the hamstring muscle and even deep into that glute. And now you're going to go in a thigh stretch. The foot in the air, bring it to me, but your opposing hip and butt tries to stay to the floor. This left arm, anchor it for a little bit of support, down. Keep a hold of the strap, sorry, itchy head. Keep a hold of the strap, lengthen the knee, and you should get an in thigh stretch. Hello. There are a lot of weird noises going on in today's video. Inhale as you exhale, bring the foot back through the center. This one is a killer. So now the leg stays straight, IT band stretch. The foot's gonna go across the midline of the body and you're gonna get a really uncomfortable but great stretch through the side butt all the way down, past that ankle if you're quite tight. Now this hip, those two bony bits on the bottom of your back need to stay on the floor. Again, anchor that palm down, breathe in, breathe out. And then from here, we're all gonna bend our knee and bring it back through neutral, just here. You can either stay right here, drawing the knee in, or we're gonna try and roll our knee back to where it just was, but this time the body lifts off the floor. And then drop down, keep a hold of the strap, and head to me. If you want the furthest, deepest stretch, the strap leg, try really carefully, extend it now. Oh my gosh, and eyes to me. And then carefully bend the knee again and roll it back through the center. Leg comes in towards a 90-degree angle like this. We're going to move the strap, the band, whatever you've got, on towards the ball of the foot. And just keep it at 90 and pull the toes towards yourself. Keeping hold of the strap. Inhale as you exhale, extend the leg to the sky. Inhale, bend the knee in. Exhale, extend the leg. Got one more of those. Inhale, bend the knee in towards your left side of the chest, your left breast. Inhale as you exhale. Extend the leg, hamstring stretch again. And then bend the supporting leg if it's not already bent. Hug yourself in with the strap, rock yourself back, rock yourself forwards. Hook both the feet in towards the strap, another one of my favorites. Keep the body nice and long. Breathe in, fold the band in half. And as you exhale, walk down the strap. Down, down, down. Head goes down, the chin comes all the way. Trying to come past your knees, in between your shins. Then roll all the way up. And then hook the strap back on that foot. But now it moves to the middle of the foot. Sorry, I just need to make sure I'm on my mat. Feet stay out in front of yourself. Now sit tall on the hips. You're gonna try with a breath to lift the leg up. Inhale. As you exhale, try and lift the leg all the way up. There's your challenge. Then you can either stay right there, keeping that straight leg position, keeping that flexed foot. That's enough for you, stay right there. Straight spine, shoulders down, or the left hand's gonna grab your strap, your rope, whatever you've got. And you're gonna extend, if you can, this arm round to the back and twist the eyes with it. Head goes round, eyes go round, keep the leg lifted. Breathe in, breathe out. Well done, that's a tough one. You're gonna bring it back through center, and now bend this top leg, bend the top leg. You can just ditch the strap for a minute and hook the foot over the top of this leg, draw it in. Give your leg a little hug and twist your eyes back, just in the position that you were in. But this time, to make it more intense, if you can, lift the elbow, next option. Bring it round and bind. Eyes back, twist through the spine, breathe in, breathe out. And then back through the center. Grab a hold of your strap wherever it is. This foot comes back over, twist to me, and that leg stays long and this knee bends, just like that. So now you've got one leg long and you've got this knee bent. If you want the modified version, the foot slightly slides in. So keep the leg to the side, grab a hold of your strap, and you're gonna pop it underneath the foot, just like this. If you've got a short strap, you're just going to hold there, flexing the foot and drawing the toes to the sky. If you want it a little bit more intense, here comes the advancement. You'll be able to see it hopefully in the mirror behind me. My right hand grabs the strap, pull back, and then slightly flex the foot and lift the leg. So you've got a little bind going on. You've got a little bind going on with that hand behind the back. Breathe in, shoulders down, flex the foot, the toe draws off, inner thigh stretch. If you can't feel that, try bringing the leg slightly backwards a bit. Toes to the sky, grabbing the band, slightly heel raises off, deep inner thigh stretch. And then from here, you're gonna let that go. Bring your feet now round towards the other side. Here comes the fun bit. We're gonna do it all over again. Lower yourself safely.
Just one more block until I'm in play. I got someone, but we ain't been okay. Is it really cheating if it's only for the weekend? Tell me if I'm tweaking, girl, 'cause we ain't even speaking, girl. Both of us be cheating, so why we still be linking? So tell me what you